Hi, what I'd like to do today is talk about how to make the Mora Companion Leather Sheath kit, the 45-2000. Basically, that makes a sheath that looks like that when it's finished, and it can hold either of the Mora knives, either the heavy duty or the companion standard clipper. That used to be the clipper. Okay, it's a friction fit and it holds it in nicely, so that isn't going anywhere. It's got a nice thick welt down the middle to protect both your hands and the sheath from the very sharp cutting edge of the blade. Okay, basically the kit has several components. What I'll do is I'll show you one. What we've got inside is we have, depending on which kit you buy, either what used to be the Mora clipper, or you can have the kit with the Mora companion heavy duty. The kit also comes complete with the leather sheath. It's pre-punched, all the markings are there, and we've already attached one half of the welt to it, so you actually know that the holes all align. The kit comes complete with substantial awl. You'll need this awl, being very careful because it is really sharp and it'll stab you very easily if you're not careful with it. You'll get some good quality contact adhesive, so when we come to stick the two parts of the sheath together, you have a choice of depending on which kit you buy, either 1.7mm tiger thread or the artificial sinew, either of those, and we get some sandpaper as well, and that will allow you to make the edges smooth before you actually stitch the product together. Okay, so the other thing that it's not included in the kit, but it is actually something we would recommend you actually have at hand. There's a good pair of pliers, a good pair of scissors, and a lighter. With all of the threads, the end of the thread will have been sealed with the lighter, just melted and then pinched so that it actually won't pull apart on that. That's on both the artificial sinew and on the tiger thread. So basically that's the kit. I'll show you how to make it in the next video, but this was just a little introduction.